Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. I have an ackee and saltfish recipe for you today. Only thing though to note that the ackee is from the can. Let's get started. In about 2 tablespoons of oil, fry up your tomatoes, your onion, and your scotch bonnet pepper until well done. Then we're going to be using the canned ackee. The can says it's about a 1 pound 3 ounces of ackee, and you're gonna use the can opener to open the can and then drain the water. Please remember to drain the water from the ackee. Drain all of it because it's already soft, because it's canned ackee. It's already boiled in salt water, and that's what it looks like. Now you're going to fry up your tomato and your onion and your peppers, and then you're going to add your salt fish. Some say codfish, some say pollock, but I think there's a slight difference, but it's all salted fish, but there's a slight difference between what we call salt fish. With our salt fish, it's very salt, and also it has the bones in it, but when you come to the US, it's codfish or pollock. And then you're gonna add your ackee to that mixture, but remember to be very careful when you're stirring that in, because it's a canned ackee. It's very soft, and you have to be careful how you stir that in, or else it's going to be a big mush. It's going to turn into scrambled eggs instead. Now add a generous amount of black pepper, and your ackee and saltfish is ready. And the ackee and saltfish is our national dish. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and make sure that you turn on that notification bell, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.